Hello students, good afternoon. Today we are doing the practical of chapter 2, remaining part of chapter 2, that is Scratch. So here I'm showing you Scratch software. Then we are working there. This is Scratch software icon is there. Now this is the Scratch window. As in the previous week, I'm sending you at that time, I'm just do the practical. I have done the practical and some menus I have shown to you now here today. We are doing the rest part. We are just practice the rest part of this chapter. So how we today we are doing how we work with the sprite, then how we save a sprite, how we open already saved sprite, and how we share the sprite. Okay, so one by one I'm telling you. Firstly, here when I'm just clicking there, this is the new sprite. This is the paint new sprite. Even in the previous week when I'm just sending the video, then at that time we are doing the practical of this key, how we paint a new sprite. So this is the by this way here, just when I'm clicking there, then suppose I'm taking this one, suppose I'm choosing this one, even I'm choosing this one, it's your choice. Even I don't want this, so then I just erase this through eraser. Now I'm taking this one, I'm taking this one color, that is the yellow color I'm taking, but here I'm taking this figure. So here I just want to try to draw anything. Now you can draw by your own choice, as I'm just trying to do this. Suppose I'm just draw this. So now here, suppose my work is finished. So I'm just clicking on OK button. Okay, now this is the earlier sprite. This is the this character as I'm telling you, this is the sprite. This cat is just called as the sprite. So this is a by default sprite, and here we just made this. So this is by this way we can paint a new sprite by our own creativity. Secondly, we can choose that we have a gallery, sprite gallery. So we can choose the already sprite. That is, suppose I'm just clicking their animal. I'm choosing this one from this gallery. Suppose I'm choosing this one. It's your choice, whatever you want. Suppose I want to this, I want to this, then I'm clicking there this. Okay, so if you don't want to this, then you just right click there, then delete this. Suppose you don't want this, so it is the earlier we have made this sprite, but suppose you don't want this character, then you delete this. Now I made this. So dear students, as you have seen there, what is the, suppose I have just placed this, I move this sprite at this place. Now the location of this, it's showing us the location key from which x-axis, what is the position on the x-axis this sprite, and what is the position of this sprite on the y-axis. So now next third one option, that is get surprise sprite. Surprise means accidentally any one sprite is just appear on the stage area. Okay, when I'm clicking there, you just watch. So by this way, this surprise. This is a surprise sprite that is appear on the stage area. This is called the surprise. Accidentally, any one sprite is just appear on the stage area. Okay, so here, suppose I don't want this, then delete this. Second one is this one. So dear students, by this way you can just choose, you can create the new sprite by your own self through painting, and you can just choose any sprite in the that is from the gallery, and you can just upload, or you just we can say we can insert any one sprite on the stage area, that is get surprise sprite. Okay, so now after that I'm telling you how we save this sprite. So we firstly go to the file option, save. Okay, then here I'm giving the name. Suppose I'm writing scratch. Look there as scratch 444. Okay, this is the name of my project. After that I'm clicking OK. So now my file is that is the project is now saved. How we can just watch this key, my project is saved or not? We just go to the file, then click on open. Okay, so now whatever we have saved, that is just appear there. Scratch 444 we have given the name, so that is appear. Now you have watched this. By this way you can watch this. So in this way, okay. Okay, so this sprite, this whatever the project we have saved, now this is shown here. Okay, so dear students, by this way you can just save the sprite, you can open the already saved file. Okay, next one we have the option that is share. Okay, if we just finish the project, then we can share this project online, okay. So here I have the project, whatever the project we have made, that is shown here. Now we want to just upload this project online. So upload, the option is there, upload to Scratch server. Okay, where this just project is just upload on which website? This is the name of the website, scratch.mit.edu. Okay, .educations. So this is the official website of this Scratch software. So now here, when we just write the name, and after that this project is just now saved on the, that is upload on the online. Okay, just your project is just now become the part of the scratch.mit.education software. Okay, but we should have a net facility when we just want to upload the our project on the scratch.mit.education website. Okay, so dear students, by this way we can just upload the sprite, our project, or we can create the project. We can create the project, or we can just draw by painting, by get surprising, or choose new sprite from the file, or we can just save the file, save the project, open the already saved project. So for today that's all, and this is the your second chapter practical. Okay, so here opening, saving we have done, saving, sharing a project. So your second chapter is now completed by this video. Okay, so after that, when we meet on the next coming week, then we will do the practical, or when we just read the theory, that is of Scratch chapter 3. Okay, so by this way you do practice. Thank you, have a nice day.